JBL Boombox 3 speaker. This product review is Amazon Associate, commissions earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. The JBL Boombox 3 is a truly portable big sound speaker. Huge, bass forward, built to survive outdoor use, easy to pair and extend via Party Boost. And this bundle, JBL Boombox 3 plus G-Sport carbon fiber hardshell case, accessory pouch, turns it into a much more travel-ready package. It's excellent if you want party-level output and durability. Less ideal if you need a lightweight, neutral-sounding speaker for long indoor listening sessions. Key specs: IP rating, IP67, waterproof and dustproof. Battery life, up to 24 hours. 72 watt-hours capacity, doubles as a 5-volt 2-amp power bank. Driver's output: multi-way design with dedicated subwoofer, mid-ranges, tweeters, around 180 W RMS, varies between AC and battery. Size weight: 48.2 times 25.7 times 20.0 centimeters, nearly 6.7 kilogram. 14.7 pounds. Features: build, connectivity, and extras. Rugged, outdoor-ready build, fabric wrap, metal handle, IP67 rating. Wireless and app support. Bluetooth 5.3, JBL portable app with Party Boost for stereo party linking and firmware updates. Power bank function. USB-A charging for phones devices. Bundle extras. G-Sport hardshell case protects during transport. Accessory pouch keeps charger and cables organized. Performance, sound, loudness, and behavior. Bass and impact, tuned for deep, powerful low end with big punch, ideal for outdoor parties and bass-heavy music. Volume and headroom, gets very loud with low distortion, filling large outdoor spaces easily. Balance and sound stage, warm, bass-heavy tilt. 3-way design helps mids stay clear, but soundstage is narrower than hi-fi speakers. Consistency maintains strength at high volume. At low listening levels, coloration is more noticeable. Battery life. Claimed runtime, up to 24 hours, depends on volume and content. Real world, at moderate listening, close to claim. At party volumes, expect less. Charge time, around 4.5 to 6.5 hours. Ease of use. Pairing and controls. Quick Bluetooth pairing. Simple onboard controls. Useful app support. Portability trade-off. Metal handle helps, but weight, 6.7 kilograms, makes it better suited for car tricks or backyard use than hiking. Durability. Bundles, case, and pouch solve the transport challenge, protecting against dings and making it easier to pack. Value for money. Bundle benefit. Buying the speaker plus a protective hardshell case and accessory pouch together saves the hassle and cost of purchasing separately. Who benefits most? People who travel often with the speaker, use it outdoors regularly, or want protection for storage transport. Less valuable if you keep the speaker at home most of the time and won't need the added case. Pros, cons. Pros: massive, impactful bass and high output. Rugged IP67 build, waterproof and dustproof. Built-in power bank and Party Boost linking. Bundle adds a strong protective case and pouch. Cons: heavy and bulky, not hiking friendly. Bass-heavy tuning, less suited for critical neutral listening. Battery runtime varies depending on volume. Final recommendation: a JBL Boombox 3 bundle is best for people who want party-level sound with bass that carries, and who will benefit from the added travel protection of the G-Sport case and pouch. If you move your speaker often or want to ensure it's protected, the bundle is worth the investment. If you only use the speaker at home, the extra accessories may not add much value. Remember, click and buy. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description.